Welcome to this very quick video on our 10-year anniversary of the HydroKleen systems and processes. It's been a big journey. We started in 2010, arrived on the Gold Coast with a van and pretty much nothing else. And since then we've progressed from working in a little factory over in Tonga Place, which some of you know, some of you don't, to the factory that we're in now. The journey on the way was pretty momentous. We've had, I guess, 6 machine changes, designs. We've had probably 40 bag designs and changes in that time. We've now got HydroKleen into 45 countries around the world, which I think has been a huge what's the word I'm looking for?
Oh, achievement. Yeah.
A huge achievement for the HydroKleen systems and processes. The fact that we've managed to achieve that over just a period of 10 years, I think, is quite significant. So I'll just, other things that we need to talk about, I guess, are again thanking the franchise partners, and I'll let perhaps Sharon do that.
Yeah, well, if it wasn't for our franchise partners growing with us, learning about our brand and really promoting that brand out to the community, we couldn't have grown so massively over this short period of time. And we want to thank our franchise partners who have really participated in our brand, brought great ideas to us, helped with the evolution of the brand, including, like John said, the machines and the bags, and really embraced our change as we grew from, a little startup, through childhood years, and now we're pushing into our teenage years as a brand. And really, I'm excited that our brand is really known across not only our industry, but into people's homes. And I think the other people we need to thank are our customers, who have worked with our franchise partners, who every year continually get their air conditioner cleaned, looking after their health, looking after their environment, and really supporting our brand and knowing that each year that they can get that, really impressive experience from, our franchise partners.
And something else that I think is we don't understand sometimes is that we employ probably indirectly over 2,000 people around the world now under the HydroKleen systems and processes. So to all our licensees out there, from wherever you are, what country you're in, and we're in some pretty obscure countries, and we'd like to thank those licensees for having confidence in our systems and processes, perhaps never even been to Australia to see it, but are happy to take it back to their countries and of course promote HydroKleen around the world. So again, a big journey, a lot of bridges that we've crossed, a lot of bridges we still have to cross, and I guess that'll happen in the next, as Sharon said, in the next 5 or 10 years.
Yeah, and I want to thank the people who have started out with us, in a supplier relationship, because we have many suppliers who teamed up with us in our early days, and some of us trusting in our growth, that really supported us when we were very, very small, and have also grown their businesses with us as well. And I love the fact that we've been able to work with these people 8, 9 and 10 years into our journey, that you build really great friendships through that, and I really appreciate those suppliers helping us out during all of those times that we needed it, particularly early on.
And probably last of all is thanking our team, because without a good team and without good people around you, you're certainly not going to succeed. And we've got a great team, we've got great people around us, we've had great people with us that have gone on, moved on.
Had families.
So we thank our team, we thank all of the people that have worked hard over the 10 years that we've been with HydroKleen, and let's hope that the next 10 years are more productive still, and that we can grow bigger and better.